Have you ever asked yourself, can my relationship with my lab be even better? Have you ever wondered, can I find a better lab for me? In this video, I'm going to explain to you what it's like working with the DSD Lab. And at the end of this video, I hope that you're going to be convinced to give us a try. Hi, I'm Coachman, founder of Digital Smile Design, a dentist, but above all, a technician, a ceramist for more than 30 years. And in the dental technology world, I've seen everything, from completely analog to completely digital, from single units to full mouth rehabilitations, from working in great labs to working in so-so labs, from creating labs from scratch, working in-house, outsourcing. I've been doing all kinds of things when it comes to developing great relationships between dentists and technicians. There are three main reasons why the DSD Lab is different. Number one, we are among the few labs that have been mastering fully digital workflows since many years. Not only mastering on our side, but helping dentists to master digital workflows on their side as well. Leveraging digital to make work more simple and more predictable. Number two, we are the only lab connected to an interdisciplinary digital planning center service. By connecting these two worlds, we can help you diagnose, plan, and sell your cases, and then convert with predictability to the final outcome. And number three, we are the only lab helping you tell an even better story to your patients, why working with us can make you better for them. So, what do we do and what is our workflow? Very simple. We can divide what we do for you in two major groups. You can look at your patient, at your case, and decide that you need our help to diagnose, plan, and sell your case. Or you can look at your case and decide that all you need is our help to execute, manufacturing the devices and the final restorations. We strongly believe in two principles: comprehensive treatment planning and guided dentistry, guided execution. And that's the reason why we can help you with both. The outcome is only as good as the plan. And that's why we have a series of services and products to help you plan better. Mainly, make better decisions for your case, for your patient. As soon as the plan is ready, we strongly believe that now it's about creating outcomes more similar to plans. And that's when guided dentistry kicks in. We believe in using devices to translate digital plans into clinical outcomes. And we have full knowledge on printing and mailing manufacturing to deliver everything you need to deliver guided dentistry to your patient. And of course, at the end, our flagship product, the natural restoration, utilizing natural libraries and monolithic restorations to deliver smiles that are beautiful and simple to execute. Consistency, reproducibility, and being able to leverage technology to simplify the process of full mouth rehabilitations or cosmetic cases. The DSD Natural Restoration is a concept that we pioneered 10 years ago by using natural libraries for the first time with a complete digital workflow, allowing us to copy-paste nature into the mouth of your patients. But beyond all these technologies and concepts, I believe that what really sets us apart are the 7 DSD Lab commitments. Number one, always respecting the turnaround time. Number two, generating restorations that fit. Number three, delivering the color that you asked. Number four, designing restorations with the shapes that you pre-approved. Number five, minimize chairside adjustments. Number six, leverage professional communication. And number seven, always using systems to increase efficiency and predictability. So, who do we serve? We serve any dentist, any practice, any clinic that is DSD certified. We have many success stories with dentists from all over the world, and we really hope to create new success stories with your cases for your patients. I believe that modern dentistry relies on a modern dentist-technician relationship. Let's build this together.